Facebook is constantly changing its algorithm. Zuck even tells us that he's testing over 10,000 versions of Facebook every single day, which can be really annoying when you want your content to be seen by lots of people, but you post and the algorithm's working against you, and you get something like this instead. You get a few measly comments and a couple of likes. I was fed up with the inconsistent engagement I was getting on my Facebook posts, and so I started studying the Facebook algorithm intensely, and I figured out a system that always gets my content lots of views and engagement. And it works on image posts like this, text and image. You can see this post here, 141 comments. It works on text only posts. You can see this post here, 402 comments. It also works on video posts. Here's a video I posted, 1,200 comments. And this algorithm beating system that you're about to see will help your content get more views, more likes, and more engagements as well. Let's dive in. Now, I want to emphasize that this is a process that I use for important posts, so business posts that I need to get a lot of engagement from leads on. So when you have an important business post, this is the process you can follow as well. The first thing that you want to do is heat up the Facebook algorithm. And let me show you how that works. I'm going to go over to Facebook. And what you want to do is go through your feed and find posts from your ideal leads and then engage on those posts. The more you engage in the Facebook feed, especially on content from your leads, the more Facebook is going to show your post to more of your ideal leads. And so you can do this manually. You can go through and find the post that you want to engage on. I like to automate this process, so I am going to use a tool here. It's called Unipro, and I can go over to the algorithm booster. I'm going to go to, it's called Gain Reciprocity. The target that I like to use before I post is I want to do at least 50 engagements on posts inside my feed. And I like to give these loves. You can give them likes, you can give them loves, you can comment on the post, whatever you want to do. In this case, I'm going to give them loves. And so I'm going to go and launch this. And Unipro is going to go out, it's going to start engaging inside my feed. While Unipro is working, going and engaging on all those posts in my feed, here's the second thing that I do. What I'm going to do is go over to my notifications here. And I'm going to click on See Previous Notifications. And I'm just going to scroll down. You see these blue dots here? These blue dots all represent activity that's happening within my personal audience. And I open up any notification where someone mentioned me or commented on one of my pieces of content, got tagged on this post here. And you'll notice that I'm then clearing out the blue dots that I know that's been taken care of. And my goal here is to strike up conversation with anyone who's engaging with me anywhere on Facebook. Because I know this Facebook loves this. It loves seeing people who are engagers. So I want to be an engager. And so I'm literally going to go through my entire list of notifications here. And then I'm going to go over to each of those ones that I opened up in a new window here. I'm going to take a look at the post and I'm just going to add my comment or reply to someone. I'm going to engage on whoever's engaging with me. And then when we get to posting your content in just a minute, your algorithm is going to be absolutely on fire. So let me just finish this up and then we'll come back here in a minute. Okay, so that first step is done. So you've gone out and sent a bunch of engagement into the Facebook feed. You can see over here, Unipro did this on my behalf. It sent out 50 engagements into my feed. There is one more thing that I like to do, and I'll show you. I actually do this again inside of Unipro. If you have time, you can do this manually as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here into Unipro's message hub, and then I use a tool called Send Bulk Messages. And what this does is allows you to isolate your new leads and then send them a message over inside a messenger. The reason why I do this is from testing the algorithm, it's clear that the Facebook algorithm not only detects your activity in Facebook, in your news feed, in your comments on your posts, etc., but also in Messenger. So when you start engaging leads in Messenger, they're going to be more likely to see your posts. You can see your Unipro, it already found 16 new leads for today. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this little play button. And what this does, it allows Unipro to go to work. It's going to go strike up a messenger conversation with all those 16 new leads. And you can see there, Unipro's already sent out the first message to one of those leads. And then it takes a few seconds in between and it's going to send out another message, just starting up those conversations with leads and sparking my algorithm at the same time. Now, while this is happening, while I'm sending out those DMs over in Messenger, I'm going to go and prepare my post. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go, again, inside Unipro. I like to plan all my content right in here inside of Unipro in the content calendar. And you'll see for today's date, I've got 2 pieces of content. We're going to get to both of these because they're actually connected. The first is the piece of content that I want to drive a ton of traffic to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. I'm going to copy this over to the clipboard here. And then I'm going to open up a new browser window. I'm going to go over to Facebook. This particular post, this is a business post that I want to drive a ton of attention to. I actually want to make this inside my Facebook group. So I'm going to open up my Facebook group here. And then I'm going to click on post and I'm just going to paste in that post. And I want to do this one on a colored background. So I'm going to do this. This looks good. It says, this year I bought 12 pieces of software or tech that generated over $1 million in online sales. Want to see what I bought. Now I want to show you something behind the scenes. To really get a ton of engagement, it helps to build up a little bit of FOMO with your audience to get them thinking about the topic that you want them to engage on before you actually create your post. Let me show you a couple examples of how I've done this. So today I'm asking people who wants to basically upgrade the tech in their business. Well, how did I create FOMO for this leading up to this post? I'll show you a couple examples here. So about a week ago, I posted this. It says, bought a new software for a measly $288. It already churned out over $10,000 in sales. Hashtag tech upgrade. I also created a poll here, and the poll says, please vote, how much are you spending on tech for your business? And all these people voted, again, planting the seed that tech is something people who are running an online business should be thinking about. So now, after I've kind of planted that seed, started those conversations, when I post this particular post here, people are going to be more likely ready to engage because they've already been thinking about this topic. So I'll click on post, and that post is done. So now I've given that post a little bit of time to sit and a little bit of time for the Facebook algorithm to do its thing. And this is important for the next step because let's take a look at this post. So the post that I made here, you can see that it's now got 39 comments. And this is good because there's a little bit of social proof. Some people have organically gone and engaged on this post. And if you don't get maybe 39 comments right away, no big deal. The goal is to use the Facebook algorithm to get some engagement going before we do the next step. And here's the next step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into the comments and I'm going to paste this comment in here. And let me just make sure that I get the right tag here. So it looks like this. Let me read out this comment. It says, if it would be helpful to see all the tools we're using to generate sales these days, drop a comment here. I'm happy to share if there's interest. And then I tagged everyone. So again, this post is going inside my Facebook group. So when I use the @everyone tag here, this is just going to help more people see this post show up. If you're creating a piece of content on your personal profile, you could use the @followers tag, or you can use the @highlight tag. And both of those will help more people see your post. Before you do this comment though, there's a mistake that a lot of people make is they create a piece of content and right away they go and tag @everyone or they go and tag @followers. And the problem with that is you're sort of pushing people over to your piece of content before there's any proof that your content is any good. And so people are seeing the notification come up, they take a look at your post and they say subconsciously, well, no one else is engaging, so I'm not going to engage either. That's why for me, I like to wait a little bit, give it at least an hour to get some engagement organically. And now I'm going to go and create this comment, but you don't want to stop there. Let me show you the next step that I take to make sure that this post is going to get a ton of engagement. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll up here and I'm going to use, I've got a Chrome extension here that allows me to go and get a screenshot of this. And I'm going to go get a screenshot of this post, including the engagements on this post. And I'm going to click on capture, and then I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to download this, and I'm just going to put this on my desktop. I'm going to call this 12 tools, and you'll see where I'm going with this in just a second. What I'm going to do is I'm now going to go over to my content calendar, but you'll notice there was another piece of content that needs to go today, and I said these two are interconnected. You can see this is an email. Let's open this up, and what I'm going to do is send an email to my email list to drive more engagement back to that post. Let me show you how to do this. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go in Go High Level is the tool that I'm using, and as a side note, anyone who's using Unipro to drive engagement and get leads and sales on Facebook, you also get access to a free Go High Level account, so you can do exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm going to go to emails, and then I'm going to click on campaigns. I'm going to go and replicate. I'm going to clone this previous email that I'd already sent out. So let's go here. So now I've got a clone of an email that I've already sent out. Now I'm going to rewrite that email. You'll see how to do it right here. So I'm going to click on that. Now inside of here, I'm going to open up the email. I'm going to delete what was in there previously. So this was previously, you can see it was an email talking about one of our Unipro users who used the system to earn $5,000 for his coaching business. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the copy for my email. So I already had that saved over here in my content calendar. So I'm just pasting in that copy for this email. And let's just format this a little bit. Here's what I like to do for my formatting is I like to use 18 size font, and I like to really space out my emails so that they're really easy to read. So this is how I like to do it. I actually triple space. So it says, would this be helpful to you? And then I leave a big space here. This year, we've dramatically simplified the tech tools we're using to sell our online programs. And then again, I'm going to triple space 1, 2, 3. And then it says we got rid of everything that's unnecessary. It looks like there's a typo there, unnecessary, and kept only the pieces that generate money. Want to see what we kept? 1, 2, 3. And then right here, I want to put a picture of the post that we're driving engagement to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything else from this email. I'm going to cut that out. And here's what I want that to look like down here. I'm going to paste the rest of that email. It says drop a comment here, and I'll be happy to share with you. There are definitely a few tools on the list that you've never tried. ... 1, 2, 3. You'll likely want to update what you're using to sell online. And then Dave. So there's the email. Now what I'm going to do is go back over to the post. I'm going to get the link to that post where I want to drive traffic to. Go back over to my email, and you can see it says drop a comment here. So I want to make sure that I'm linking people back to that post. And then I want to make sure that links are always colored in the color that people expect for links. So it's this blue color here. Now, the last thing that I want to do is I want to swap out this image. So I don't want this testimonial image. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go edit that image, and I'm going to upload from my media library. I'm going to click on upload over here, and then I'm going to go to my desktop, and there it is, the 12 tools image. And you're going to see that'll be added to my media library. I'm going to double click on that. And there's one more thing that I want to do. I'm going to click on this image here, and then I'm going to go over here and update my link. So if someone were to click on that image inside the email, I want it to take them over to my post so that they can engage. And then I also want to change the alt text. So this is 12 tools for selling online. And that all looks good. Now I'm going to go back to sender schedule. I'm going to send this right now. I'm going to send it from my business account. Sender name, I'm going to put in my name here. The subject line is going to be a question. And I'm going to send this out right now. I'm going to send this to, it's called a smart list inside Go High Level. I'm going to send this to my master list. And then everything looks good right there. Let's go ahead and click on send. We're good to go. So this is exciting. You've heated up your algorithm. You've sparked a lot of conversation. You've done all these things that Facebook likes. Then you've gone and created your post with some social proof on it. You've tagged people on your post, and you've sent an email over to that post. That's going to start driving some engagement. But there's a really important step that we still want to do. What I want to do now is, you can see in the comments here, people are saying, yes, I want the thing. Yes, I want the thing. Yes, please. So there's a lot of engagement here. I want to make sure that this engagement continues. So for all these people who are engaging, it's really important that you reply to their engagements. Show them some love, and also show Facebook, again, you're here to create conversation. So there's 3 things that I like to do when people engage in my content. Number 1 is I like to like their comments. Number 2 is I always reply to their comments. And then number 3, in most cases, especially posts like this, these are a 2-step posts that are asking people if they want something. Well, I want to deliver what it is that they're looking for, and that happens over in Messenger. And so you can do this manually if you want to take the time to go through all your comments and wait for new comments to come in. I do like to automate this process. So again, I'm going to go over to Unipro here. And by the way, you can see that Unipro's gone and sent all these DMs that started all these conversations with my new leads. So it was doing that behind the scenes while we were doing all this other work over here. What I want to do to make sure that the engagement and the conversations continue on that post, I'm going to use a tool here. It's called Prospect by Post. And let's do this together here. So I'm going to take the link to the post that I want to keep engagement on. I'm going to put that right in here. And then I'm going to tell Unipro, when someone comments on that post, what do I want to do for a comment reply? Well, I've given Unipro a bunch of comment reply examples. So here's 5 examples. Now, the next thing that I want to do, I mentioned it's really important to move conversations over into Messenger. So I want Unipro to do that for me. For all these leads who are engaging on that post, I want Unipro to message them. And here's what Unipro is going to send them as a message. So this is all set up. I'm just going to click on launch. And you can see here it already replied to the first lead who engaged on that particular piece of content. And then I've got it programmed to wait 3 minutes before it goes and follows that same process with the next lead. And so the neat thing about a system like this, whether you're automating it or doing it manually, is Facebook always is seeing engagement on this particular post. Every few minutes, you're engaging or someone else is engaging. And this really incentivizes Facebook to take this post and to show it to more and more people. So I'm going to pause here, and I'm going to let all the work that we did with the algorithm, with the emails, with the engagements that are now happening now that the post has gone live. I'm going to let all that take its effect, and we'll come back in a little bit and see the result.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. I gave that post a little bit of time to get more engagement from all the work that we did. Let's take a look at the result. So here's the post. You can see that it's now up to 106 comments already. and there's a whole bunch of people who are commenting, waiting for me to reply to them. These are leads who are showing interest, which is exactly what you want. So that's the process that I use to leverage the Facebook algorithm to make sure that my most important pieces of content get seen by lots of people and get seen by the right people. But as you saw, I do have a secret weapon as well, and that secret weapon is Unipro. Unipro is an amazing tool that goes out onto Facebook. It finds your ideal leads. It brings those leads over into your audience. It nurtures those leads, making sure they see your content and getting them to engage with you so you can make offers to them at the right time and make more sales. If you have an online business and you haven't yet checked out Unipro, you gotta check it out. Go over to unipro.com. That's what I've got for you in this video, all about getting more engagement on your content. If this was helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments about the process that I just showed, you can leave those in the comment section. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you haven't checked out Unipro yet, you gotta check it out. Go over to unipro.com. I know you're gonna love it. Thanks for joining me in this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.